Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got hold of the Only Curls collection. They've brought out a travel size collection which I've been waiting for because I didn't want to buy a whole big full size range of the products in case I didn't like them. So I have this little collection. It's so cute. So they sent me everything in this lovely box and had a little personalised handwritten sort of postcard. I love customer service, it's fab. And then I got a free sort of tote bag for some reason, which is really cute, and some love hearts. I think that's so lovely. But this collection I believe cost me £28 for the set, and again, because I don't wash my hair too much, I think it's going to last me a really long time. So I'm going to get a couple of months out of it. So I'm going to, well, look at my hair. I've had it sort of up and down. I've had it under hats because it's winter, so the curls have well and truly come out. So this is my sort of before. So I will go and wash my hair, and then I'll come and show you how I put the curl cream in and the gel. Again, this may not turn out particularly well. It may turn out really well because it's the first time using the products, so I don't know, you know, quantities and stuff needed. So I'm just going to go small today and sort of gauge it, how I get on. Right, so a little bit about the products. So the shampoo is amazing. A tiny bit goes a long way. It feels really thick and you think, I'm going to need a lot of this. And then I don't know what it is, you put it on your hair and it just seems to just like multiply and just goes everywhere. It does a really, really deep clean. So I'd say I probably wouldn't use it once a week, probably once a fortnight, because I felt like it really cleaned my hair. So I didn't feel like I needed to use a lot, and I wouldn't need to use that product a lot. So I think the fact that they do the travel size is fab, because I think in the future I'll buy the travel size of that and the bigger one of the conditioner. Moving on to the conditioner, I needed to use a lot more in comparison to the shampoo to get full coverage of my hair, which is quite normal. It detangled really well. It felt quite light. So I thought, okay, this might not be, you know, conditioning enough. And then, you know, that moment when you rinse it off and it just felt like silk. I really, really liked the feeling of it. My hair felt so soft because it did feel very clean from the shampoo, and it felt like it just balanced it all out. And I really, really like the conditioner. So I definitely think I'll rebuy those. And moving on to the products, the Hydrating Col Cream. I'm always a little bit scared of curl creams because my hair is only wavy, it gets weighed down really easily, but it needs that extra bit of moisture, so it is always getting that balance right for me. I showed you how much I use in the video. It was probably like 2 5-10p size pieces in my hand, and I raked it through. So I've changed my technique a little bit since my hair appointment last week, so if you check out my video on that. So I've raked the cream through my hair with just a tiny bit of the moisture moved out of my hair. It was pretty still, you know, soaking wet. I then used quite a bit of the gel. Now it doesn't feel like a gel, this still feels like a cream. So it's quite, it hasn't got that sticky feel, it feels quite soft, it's so light, it's like quite liquidy, it's a really nice consistency. And I probably used about 10 pumps, but the pumps are quite small, and it's quite nice that it comes out in that bit, that little amount anyway. So I've done the same, that I raked it through my hair and then I scrunched it in, then I sat back up again, and I just put one more pump in each hand, smoothed over the top and scrunched. I then put my hair in a turban for about 15 minutes whilst I got dressed and done my makeup. So actually after I took it out of the towel, I put another pump of gel on because I felt like, oh, I don't know, I'm going to put a bit more on. And I've just dried it, I've not done anything else. Can you see how shiny my hair is? I'm just saying, wow. So let's give it a little bit of a scrunch. Now it doesn't feel like it particularly gets a cast. There's something there, but it's not a really crunchy cast. I had a feeling my hair was going to love these products, and it does. Now if you watch my videos, my hair goes from anything from like this to almost straight to pure ringlets. It's very, very confused hair. Let's get at the roots and shake it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish I could like tell you how soft my hair feels right now. It feels super soft. Super shiny. I don't even know. Well, and my hair just feels amazing. It doesn't have a crunch, it doesn't have any crunchiness at the roots. It feels so soft, so healthy, so bouncy. It'll be interesting to know how the curls held up like over the week, because it doesn't feel particularly crunchy, but I think the results speak for themselves. And I'm only annoyed I didn't buy these sooner, because I kept putting it off, and I was waiting for the travel size, so I didn't want to commit to buying the whole set at like £16 a bottle. But I love these, and I'll keep these little bottles, and I will buy bigger versions and top them up, because I do go away quite a bit. But yay, I found something that works my hair, because a lot of the other products are just too heavy. Like Chapadora, I love that stuff, but it's too heavy for my hair, and the gel feels quite sticky to me. This just feels, you know, light and bouncy, and my hair feels really nourished and conditioned. So Only Kels, thank you so much. Yay!